Hey everyone, Gil at Gray Man Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, we're going to continue on talking about food. We're going to talk about the Mylar bags and the seal meal bags and doing pre-set up meals dry in these bags. Whether it's making a soup mix, whether it's making a chili mix, whether it's making some sort of like hamburger helper mix, where everything is all combined, ready to go with all the dry ingredients. So all you need to do is add your wet ingredients to it. It can be something like, well, just think what they got in the one hour. They got all the hamburger helper, tuna helper, chicken helper, all those type things you can make yourself and make it for a lot less money. All right, so think about it. Is this something you need to do to A, save money, B, get more stuff ready to go so you make meals quicker and spend less time in the kitchen worrying about what's for dinner tonight? All right, so stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared, keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, and add a new skill. All right, because I have a feeling this winter's going to be really bad and we all need to be ready for it.